Hello everyone, and welcome back to OGA Academy. As we continue with our Backoffice series, we would like to go in detail about our Autoship feature with this new video. As you can see from the panel itself, it gives you the details of your next delivery. We know that most of you are probably aware of our Autoship days. You can choose from either the 5th or 15th of every month for your Autoship order to be processed. This is because Autoship is totally optional and for managing sales inventory purposes only. Moving on, if we want to see the details of the current Autoship you have, you can simply click on the icon within the panel and access the report in the next page. Here you will have a briefing of the Autoship, including your personal information with shipping address, the date of Autoship, and your payment details. You can at any time change this by clicking on the Edit button and make the desired modifications there. Please don't forget to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the Submit button to save the changes. In case this is your first time setting up an Autoship profile, we will guide you through the whole process so that you do it flawlessly. Please click on the new Autoship button located on the top left corner. Once there, you have several options to choose from. The first one will be the Autoship date. Please click on that drop-down menu and choose whatever date fits your needs better. Once you have that, move on to the status. This will be the place where you can decide whether to leave an Autoship active or rather cancel it. However, since we are just creating this profile now, we will leave it inactive. Next, you have the option to select when you want your orders to start processing. This means that even when you can set your profile up today, you may choose to have the first order delivered in 1, 3, or 5 months from now. The time is under your total control. Depending on your country of distributorship, you will have different options for delivery of your parcel. Please select the most convenient for you. Next, you will be presented with the list of products available to set your Autoship up. Please note that the products will depend on your country of distributorship, so you may not have the exact same list as it is shown on the screen right now. Once you have selected the quantity of each product you would like, scroll all the way down and click on Submit. This will redirect you onto the payment information page. Here you will be able to input your credit card information and double-check the details of your profile. Once that is complete, please click on Submit again and your newly created profile will show up next. I hope we've been able to shed some light on this topic and that you can now have an easier way to control your Autoship orders. Please feel free to give us your comments and feedback regarding this video. Thanks so much for your attention, and we will see each other in our next lesson.